In this video, I will show you how to make $200 per day using derivatives trading on the crypto exchange Bitflex. I am currently in a $215 profit Bitcoin short position which I opened a few minutes ago with only $1,000 invested. I use the scalping strategy, which is a short-term trading strategy, based on making frequent profits from small price movements, so you go quick in and out, instead of the longer-term swing trading strategy where you stay much longer in a trade. I'm about to close this position because my target has been reached, but before I do that, let me explain in short what derivatives or margin trading is. Margin trading is a method of trading financial assets with borrowed funds. This allows you to control larger positions than your capital would typically allow, amplifying both potential profits and losses. When engaging in margin trading, you are required to deposit a certain amount of your own capital as collateral, also known as the margin. Now, before I continue, here's a word of caution. Margin trading is not for beginners. You need to know at least how to read a chart, spot a market trend, set up support and resistance lines and be able to manage your capital or you will get wrecked. With the ability to trade with more funds than you have available, you can potentially make larger profits, but there is also a higher risk involved, so start with a 10 to 15% margin, and when you get more experienced, you can use a higher percentage. This is one of the most common mistakes that beginners make, so don't fall in that trap. Bitflex offers derivatives trading for USDT perpetual contracts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano and some other popular tokens. For Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum, the maximum leverage is 100x, while for other pairs, the percentage varies. Bitflex is a fairly new exchange that doesn't require KYC, which is a good thing if you care about your privacy or want to start trading right away. I also have an account on Binance to trade crypto on the spot market, but I prefer Bitflex for margin trading as it's simple and quick. If you don't have a Bitflex account, you can use my Bitflex link below in the description and you will get the best sign-up bonus that is currently available. These bonuses vary, so check out the website to see how much you will get. They also have monthly campaigns where you can win thousands of dollars, and by using their platform to trade you also collect Flex points which you can redeem for amazing prices in the Flex shop. Click on the Rewards Hub link to see the available offers, challenges and prizes, and don't forget to check in daily to get your free Flex points. To join Bitflex, just enter your primary email and pick a strong password. My referral code is already inserted, so leave it to receive your welcome bonus. Once you confirm your account, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. Here you can take a look at the markets, or visit the coin information page to read more about all the different tokens that are listed on the exchange. Bitflex has two trading platforms. One is for spot trading, and the other is for derivative or margin trading. Remember that you can only trade with USDT, which is the standard token for spot and margin trading, so use the convert page to swap your tokens. Swapping is fast and totally free, so that's super convenient. If you are new, then take a few minutes to visit the Learning Zone. There's a blog with general announcements, and a detailed user guide with all the help you need to get started with spot and margin trading. Use the assets link to view the cryptocurrencies in your wallets. I have a tiny amount of BNB left in my spot wallet which I converted earlier into USDT and transferred to my margin wallet. One of the cool things about Bitflex is that you can send different cryptocurrencies to your wallet. Click on the deposit button to see a list pop up with all the tokens and their respective addresses. When you have converted the crypto in your spot wallet to USDT, you can start trading on the spot market right away. But if you want to trade on the derivatives market, you need to transfer the USDT tokens to your derivatives wallet first. I already have my USDT in there, so I don't need to do that. Let's go to the derivatives market and open a new trade. First, we need to decide if we want to enter a long or short position. We can do some technical analysis on the chart with the basic indicators like the RSI and MACD, but I prefer TradingView to analyze the markets because some of my favorite indicators are not available on Bitflex and TradingView has more options to come up with a valid trading strategy. One of my most used indicators is the 15-minute scalping ribbon. It tells me when to enter or get out of a position and it's totally free. If you also want to find out how to use this tool to make better trades, go watch the video tutorial on my channel which shows you how to get a free TradingView account and how to set up this incredible indicator. Once I have done my market analysis on TradingView and decided to go long or short, I go back to the Bitflex chart. On the right side, you can open or close an existing order, and below you can place a long or short position with a limit, market or conditional order. For this demo, we will open a position with a market order so we get filled right away. I can select the margin percentage by moving the slider to the right or to the left. For beginning traders, I recommend a 10x or 15x to protect your account from being liquidated. Remember that a higher margin involves more risk. If you use a 100x, the chance of being stopped out of your trade and losing all your money is much higher. Let's add a short position on the Bitcoin USDT pair. I'm going in with 50% of the USDT in my wallet, and then I click on the Open Short button to initiate the market order. As soon as the order gets filled, I can see my position below the chart and how much money I am earning or losing. I can now set a stop loss and take profit price to protect my trade, or I can close my position with a limit or a market order if I have made enough money. It's really that simple. You can follow up on your orders by clicking on the orders link at the top of the page and see all open positions and orders, the order and trade history, and the closed profit and loss statistics. Bitflex offers low trading fees, making it an affordable option for traders of all levels, and they also offer different memberships, so the trading fees can become even lower. Use my link in the description below this video to sign up and earn the best welcome bonus on your initial deposit. By using the platform, you collect Flex points which you can redeem for amazing products like Apple MacBooks, the Vision Pro virtual glasses, Apple Watches and more fun stuff. There are also vouchers that you can redeem, giving you discounts and rebates for your trading fees. Vouchers are activated immediately upon redemption and rebates are credited to your account every day. Prize redemptions take place on the 29th of each month, and any unused Flex points can be carried forward to the next round. You can also participate in missions and trading challenges and win thousands of dollars. The more you trade, the higher your membership level will be. All in all, I like Bitflex, and I recommend this exchange for people who can't use Bybit or other exchanges in their country because of legislation rules. Just remember that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in crypto and never use money that you can't afford to lose. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you have a comment or question about this video, please drop it in the comments section below. If you like this video, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day, and stay safe.